The CDC is now recommending a third dose of the COVID-19 vaccine for certain people. Vaccine advisors voted unanimously to recommend an extra dose for immunocompromised people. And today, the CDC director signed off on the recommendation. But there are questions. Who can get this third dose and when? Fox 5's Kim Passoff live now at the update desk with some answers for us. Kim?
Yeah, John, so this is all still developing with today's CDC approval, but tonight we took those questions to the president of the Clark County Medical Society. She says about 7 million people, 3% of the U.S. population, will need a third shot.
It's not actually a booster shot. It's an extra dose of the same vaccine that's already being given. Boosters are a totally separate issue that we'll probably be dealing with at some point in the future.
Between delivering babies, Dr. Stacy McHale, president of Clark County Medical Society, is staying on top of the latest CDC recommendation and how it will be implemented locally.
This extra dose of vaccine is designed to help protect those who are immunosuppressed or immunocompromised so that they will hopefully have better immune protection against this new COVID variant.
She says only a small number of people need a third shot. Those undergoing cancer treatment, recent organ or stem cell transplant recipients, people with advanced HIV, and patients undergoing dialysis. The Delta variant is particularly dangerous for them, even if fully vaccinated.
40% of the breakthrough cases of COVID in the hospitals are in this very small subset of immunocompromised patients.
Today, she spoke with Immunized Nevada and the Southern Nevada Health District. She expects third doses to be given out starting early next week at doctors' offices, pharmacies, and Southern Nevada Health District vaccination sites.
There's not a mandate or a requirement for a note from a physician to allow you to receive one of these doses.
More than 1 million people in the U.S. have already gotten an unauthorized third dose, something not recommended for anyone at this point. It is not known how many of these people who got the extra dose are immunocompromised. Going forward, Dr. McHale says third doses will likely be on the honor system.
I don't know that there's going to be an effective way to police that because there's not a national vaccine tracking system. There's also not a way to be able to verify that a patient falls into one of these high-risk categories.
And people who got a Johnson & Johnson shot do not need an additional dose, even if they fall into that high-risk category. Best advice, if you think you do need a third dose, check with your doctor first. Don't just go to a pharmacy because they aren't giving third doses yet, even if you do need one.